Hi there, everyone. This is
Exclusive hot.
Hey there, greetings from the Challenger Learning Center, and I want to start out today with an activity called Potato Battery. To do this activity, you'll just need two things from your kit. You'll need your lemon clock kit, which we'll get back to the lemon later, and you'll need your potato. Now, the first thing I want to mention is in your lemon clock kit, you'll want to open that up and you'll want to save the packaging because it will have instructions on how to set your clock and viewing the time for when we get our battery set up. In your kit, you will have two sets of metal posts. You will have two copper colored posts and two silver colored posts. Each of these will have a hole on one end. You'll also have your clock that will have a black and a red wire coming out from it and a white wire that will be separate. Now, to make our clock, to power our clock, we'll need a battery. And this is going to be our battery. So, the first thing we'll need to do is to cut this potato in half. Now, you will need a knife, so that means you will need a parent to help you with this step. So, in order to start out, we will cut our potato directly in half. Now, we have two pieces of potato, and we have two sets of metallic rods. So what you want to do is take one of each color rod and stick into each side of the potato. When you do this, make sure that the very small hole in each rod is not inside the potato. Make sure that it is outside. Do the same with our other potato. And so now we have two identical pieces of potato. Now the next thing we want to do is to tie our two potatoes together. We're going to use our white wire, and we're going to put one end of the wire on a silver piece, and the other end will go to a copper piece. You'll want to thread it through the hole and twist it around. Now we've also included some tape in your kit so that just in case it starts to come off, you'll have a more secure fit. Now, so we have one end on our copper, one end on our silver. Now we're going to attach our clock to the other two posts. Red will go to copper. And black will go to silver. Now, as soon as we connect this, you'll see that our clock comes on. Just like that. We'll rotate it around here. Now, potatoes make great batteries, but just like on our box from earlier, you can also use a lemon for this activity or any other fruit. Some things may work, some things may not. But that's potato battery.
Hi there, everyone. This is
Exclusive hot.